Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. When I do any kind of brake job, I either take the brake reservoir top completely loose, or I take it completely off like I always do. When you're pumping the brakes, the hydraulics are going from the master cylinder to the brakes. When you're pushing the piston in, which is right here on the caliper, when you're changing the brakes, you're pushing the piston in. So the brake fluid is actually going backwards this way. If you have that top on and anything that's loose inside or about to break inside your braking system or the weakest link, it will bust and leak all over the place, and now you have a bigger nightmare. Everybody does what they do differently, but since I've done this, I haven't had one brake line bust on me while I'm doing any kind of work. I'm just trying to give you guys mechanic tips. Everybody does what they do differently. It is what it is. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you benefit out of this video in any shape from a way, hit that super thanks. And if you want to see the videos earlier, hit that join button and you'll see the videos 3 to 5 days earlier. Thank you.